when you watch this rocket fly tomorrow?
I'll be really proud of the SpaceX team for having accomplished this incredible task. And hopefully we inspire the public to get excited about space again.
But it's not just the public getting excited about the Falcon Heavy. Some customers, like the Planetary Society, are planning on using Falcon Heavy for their next flights, hoping that a successful test launch will spell success for their missions as well.
We are tied to SpaceX. We wish us the best today. So the guy, you know, SpaceX is really visionary, but it really is a fantastic idea. Rockets should be like airplanes, where you don't throw them away, you use them and then reuse them. And so it's visionary.
Now, if everything goes well today, how will it feel to see that Falcon Heavy soar?
Oh, it'll be great. No, so, you know, we flew the first light sail almost 2 years ago. And it's a thrill. We're very excited about it. And the idea is to democratize space, to lower the cost of getting to many destinations in our solar system. And the reason you do this, everybody, the reason a society does this, there are two questions, Lauren, that we have all asked.